everyone. In this video, we will do the solution discussion for 4.2 challenge. So, as I told you, you should add an internal link. An internal link is used by A itself, but in A, you should add like this. So, during the H1, you should add a hair. A and then the hair attribute, and then you should add a like hashtag and what you want to say it. So we have like I have added Annie's wiki. In your website you can add anything. Okay, that's an ID. Okay, that's referred to as ID. I have included in the wiki for HTML for intermediate. You can read the wiki too. Welcome to AnnieWiki. So this one is this one. So I want to put the link. So I put it as AID. So here I didn't use the herf because I have already used the herf here as a tag. So the hashtag means an ID. So I have created this ID as here. So this ID is only here. If you like debug is also, the ID will come to here, this H1, wherever it is on the page. I have added the ID Annie's wiki, so which one we put here, and then with the text go up as I said you. So meet you in the challenge discussion for 4.3.